In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Simply Safe Dividend's free trial. If you're curious about dividend investing and want a safe way to test drive research tools before committing, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a couple of minutes while making sure everything is clear and hassle-free. First, head to the official Simply Safe Dividends sign-up page. You can use the dedicated sign-up link provided by the company or type their official site into your browser and look for the sign-up option. Make sure you're on the real website by checking for a secure connection in your browser's address bar and confirming the branding looks correct. Using a modern browser and a reliable internet connection will help avoid any loading issues. If the page doesn't load as expected, refresh the tab or try another browser. Once you're on the sign-up page, you'll see a field asking for your email address. Type in an email you check regularly, since that's what will be associated with your new account. Double check for typos before moving on. Small mistakes here can lead to missing important messages or access links. If you use multiple inboxes, pick the one you're comfortable using for financial research updates. You can always manage your notification preferences later from within your account settings. After entering your email, click the button labeled Continue or Sign Up Free. The exact wording may vary slightly, but the action is the same. This creates your account and starts your 14-day free trial. You should see a confirmation on screen that your trial has begun, and you'll be guided straight into your account or dashboard. That's it, your access is live. A quick note on the trial itself. A 14-day free trial typically gives you full or near full access so you can evaluate the product with real data and tools. Terms can change, so it's always wise to review the current trial details shown on the site as you sign up. If you like to stay organized, consider setting a reminder for yourself to review the service before the trial ends so you can decide whether to continue. If a page looks different or a button label has changed since this recording, follow the on-screen prompts. They're designed to make the process straightforward. You've successfully started your Simply Safe Dividends free trial. Enjoy exploring the platform and use this time to see how its insights fit your investment research workflow.